welcome back. And today's video is something on the new product of mine, that is the Good Vibes Orange Gel. Yes, this is the gel which I have got on the review for today, and without wasting more time, let's quickly start. So this is the face gel, Good Vibes Orange face gel of 50 grams. This is the lovely packaging. Like always, Good Vibes has a lovely packaging, very nice, with the golden rim here. And the price of this is 175, but on purplle.com you will always get this on discounted price, and the details of this product has been mentioned here. And let's quickly open this up. And okay, this is sealed. So I have removed the tape here, and let's open. This is the lid, beautiful golden rim lid. I'll keep this aside, and you have a kind of a layered protection. And this is the gel, and this is a tinted glass bottle. So the gel is of this sort. Let me just take some kind of an amount on my finger and show it to you. This is the gel. Smell of it is just so refreshing. It is just smelling orange. It is light orange tinted gel, and see, very much glidable, very much moist, and once you apply it, it is not sticky and it is drying up so nicely. Gels for oily skin textures are just amazing. Gel works wonders for oily skin texture, and Good Vibes gels are just awesome. I love Good Vibes gel. I have already been using one, and I'll show you that in my other video. I have made a video of it. And this is another gel I have taken, orange one, and just see, it has dried up. It is non-sticky. It is, see, and it just becomes one among your skin, and it is not at all irritating. So usually gels are a bit sticky and you need to wash it, but this is so much skin friendly. So yeah, this was the Good Vibes Orange Gel, which I love. This is another product which I shall be adding up in the list of Good Vibes. I give a thumbs up for this product. If you like this video and think if this video has helped you in any way to judge the product before buying, do click on the like button and subscribe my channel to stay connected. I shall be back with more reviews for you and help you out to judge your products well. Until then, take care of your health, stay happy, stay blessed, and